How to screen record on iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to add screen recorder in your control center. To do that, launch your control center, swipe down from the right corner of your screen. Now, what you have to do is click on the plus icon given at the top left. Now you are able to customize your control center. Click on the option Add a control. Now here you're gonna find the list of the controls. Find screen recorder. Once you find it, click on it. Now place it in your control center. Once you have placed it in your control center, now you can easily start screen recording. All you have to do is press and hold on it. You are able to enable or disable microphone as well. Then click on start recording. Countdown will start and your screen will be recorded. Once you are done with this screen recording, in order to turn it off, all you have to do is launch your control center and click on this red icon. With that, your screen recording will be turned off and the recorded video will be saved to your Photos app. So this is how you can easily screen record on iPhone iOS 18.5. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.